solve heating and humidifying problems. So you have a given MA is equals to 0.9 kilogram of air per second. T1 is equals to 10 degrees C. T2 is 40 degrees C. Relative humidity is 40% and relative humidity is 60%. So using these values, we will plot in the psychometric chart. And from the psychometric chart, we have humidity ratio 1 is equals to 0.0038. Humidity ratio 2 is 0.012. Enthalpy 1 is 25 liters per kilogram. And enthalpy 2 is 72 gram. So the required is mass of water vapor or steam and Q. So we have solution. Mass of water vapor or steam is equals to MA times delta W. So we will just input the values. We have MS is equals to 0.9 kilogram of air per second times 0.012 minus 0.0038 kilogram of vapor per air. So cancel out the units. And what's left is MS is equal to 0.0074 kilogram of vapor over per second. So next, the Q. So the formula of Q is equal to MA times delta enthalpy. We have Q is equal to 0.9 kilogram of air per second times 72 minus 25 kilojoules per kilogram of air. Then we have Q is equal to 42.3 kilowatts. So we have the second problem, which is given MA is equal to 0.8 kilogram of air per second. T1 is 22 degrees C. T2 is 32 degrees C. Relative humidity 1 is 40%. And with these values, we get the psychometric chart. W is equal to 0.0065. Relative humidity 2 is 32%. Enthalpy 1 is 42. Enthalpy 2 is 53. So since we got the RH2, the required RH2 is found. And then the last is Q. So you have solution Q is equal to MA times delta H or enthalpy. So I have put in the values. Q is equal to 0.8 kilogram of air per second times 53 minus 42 kilojoules per kilogram. Cancel this. The final answer is Q is equal to 8.8 kilowatts.